Now today I will tell you about the types of polarization of the dielectric. As I have told you that when the electric field is applied on the dielectric, its molecule gets polarized in the direction of the applied electric field. So they get induced dipole moment in the direction of applied electric field, and this induced dipole moment exists so long as there is the electric field. When the electric field is removed, the polarization vanishes. So now I will tell you only the types of polarization of the dielectric. There are 4 types of polarization, and then I will discuss to all these one by one in the different videos. So you have to watch all the remaining videos. Four types of polarization. Number 1, electronic polarization. It is exhibited by non-polar dielectrics. Number 2, ionic polarization. This polarization occurs in ionic crystals. Third is orientational polarization. Orientational polarization. This orientational polarization is exhibited by the polar dielectrics. This polarization is shown by polar dielectrics. And number 4 is the space charge polarization. Space charge polarization. This space charge polarization is due to the defects in the crystals. In that distance. So these are the 4 types of polarizations, and that today I will describe only the electronic polarization. So now let us see the electric polarization in the next video. Thank you.